everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories, and I'm here guys sikhuluma nge-TV scandal ukuthi yini ngase-ke uyilindele kuleli viki-ke elizoqala. Njengoba guys nazi ukuthi-ke uVictor-ke usesibhedlela, and sesibhedlela nje ulele ney'ndaba-ke ey'funwa-ke ngabantu ngapho Taps bafise ngathi angavuka azobachazela ukuthi kahle hle le mali ubeyithatha-ke eyisaphi, ngoba kuyavela ukuthi noma ifika kwi-account endodakazi kodwa futhi iphinde iphume iye somewhere else. Well guys, niyazi-ke sino advocate investigating officer yethu uVuvu Lishiya. So guys, uVuvu uzohamba-ke aye esibhedlela, afike athi touch screen efonini kaVictor athole-ke iy'ndaba ebese-ke eyahamba-ke ne-theory yakhe ayise ku-Taps ukuthi-ke this is what is happening, and-ke guys they will recall ukuthi vele kudala ngathi ukuthi uyasoleka uThalitha, uTap bemtshela yonke into ebese yahamba yayo intensify-ke whatever she was doing. But guys, uThalitha being uThalitha niyamazi, she will pull ikhadi-ke lokuba-ke the best actor in the world. Siyathemba uzogcina banjiwe yena, but nje okwamanje uTaps nje usaphambene ikhanda ngoba akazi kahle hle ukuthi-ke kwenzekalani, akazi ukuthi kwenzekalani. uVictor usesibhedlela, and-ke guys information ivela ukuthi uma wakhe is implicated in this whole thing. Okunye guys ukuthi kuleli viki-ke elizoqala uNhloso guys, uNhloso akahlalisekile neze kahle, uNhloso akekho happy, uNhloso akekho right guys. Usetshela uMadlomo ukuthi-ke akadivorce noma-ke akahlukane-ke noMthunzi, yena-ke uReady ukuthi angashada naye futhi umshado wakhe noDinhle waba yiphutha. Hawu kanjani manje guys, angisazi sikhwele esiphethe-ke uNhloso guys, ngoba phela wamala lila ngalibalele uMadlomo wathi ufuna number 2. Manje-ke usetshela number 2 ukuthi hayi no, wena ukwazi ukuthi ungaba-ke unkosikazi wami. Bathi sizofica-ke uMthunzi e-restaurant afika amuthi ngci ngesibhakela. So guys, kuningi nje okuzobe-ke kwenzeka kuleli viki eliqala, but nje enkulu kakhulu ekaThalitha, uVuvu kanye-ke noTaps ukuthi engazi ukuthi liyabanjwa-ke igundane. That brings us to the end of this video. Leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.